Root vegetables like carrots and beets grow underground, which means they absorb the minerals in the soil during growth. Turnips are a root vegetable containing an indole substance called brassicine, which is effective in halting cancer cell growth. In a tissue culture study published in the International Journal of Oncology, this turnip compound killed human colon cancer cells and showed the same promise with breast and prostate cancers as well. Try adding raw and organically grown turnips to soups and stews, and they'll soften during cooking. Organic turnips also make a great side dish, sliced, cubed, or mashed with butter. Turnips can be prepared for this by roasting them or steaming them until they're soft. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.